Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now I am going to discuss the overall hazards of confined spaces and their appropriate risk. Well, I have developed a comprehensive list of confined space hazards and their appropriate list. Let's start with the very first hazard, that is of toxic fumes or gases with risk of asphyxiation, then hazard of slippery surface with risk of slip, trip and fall, then hazard of poor lighting, illumination with risk of slip, trip and fall, then hazard of entry of water, liquid or free flowing solids with risk of drowning, then hazard of poor access with risk of fall, then poor emergency escape with risk of slip, trip and falls, then low oxygen concentration with risk of asphyxiation, then risk of high oxygen concentration with risk of fire, then risk on high temperature extremes is dehydration, muscle cramp, heat stress, heat stroke, etc. And on low temperature extreme, hypothermia, frostbite, and sleep hazards. Then risk of hazard of limited access and egress with risk of slip, trip and fall, then hazard of noise with this risk of noise induced hearing loss, short term or maybe long term, then hazard of electricity with risk of electrocution, burns and primary contact injury or secondary contact injuries with respect to electrical source, electrical shock, and then falling object with risk of injury damage, then hazard of presence of danger and dangerous animal with risk of bites, cuts and injury, then hazard of caught between moving parts with risk of mechanical injury, then mechanical hazards with risk of crushing, shearing, friction or abrasion, etc. Then hazard of fire and explosion with risk of burns, injury and damage, then hazard of improper communication with risk of or potential risk of damage, loss and injury, then hazard of residual energy with risk of or potential risk of damage, loss and injury. This is it for the topic of confined space hazard along with their appropriate risk. Hope you have understand the conceptual detail with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.